2010 Ford Fusion. No AC, but it's sticking on hot. 68% on the blend door. Automatic climate control. Button wore out. That's AC. AC clutch is coming on. Shaft must be broke or the clutch is broke because it's not pumping anything. Okay, we got another problem. There's the blend door actuator. This thing blinking. LED screen. Go down to heating and air conditioning codes, and it got no codes. No codes. And got a data display. Hot 6 plus. This is what we're looking. Evaporator temp. That's about right. About right. Close. It ain't fluctuating much. I checked that before. Left blend door, since we only got one blend door. It don't have dual zone, it don't have automatic. There's no reset function for the actuators. If you're looking at DensPeaks, they're gonna have you replacing the blend door actuator, but that ain't what it is. It's stuck on 68%. Left blend door position. Okay, I'm gonna turn it up from cold to hot. I ain't doing shit. Okay, I'm gonna turn it back down to cold. I'm gonna switch it off, switch it back on. Watch it go down. Already a while ago. There we go. Going back down towards 0. Cold. 0% is cold. Now it's going back up. Look, on its own. It'll stay off for a while. Let's wiggle it a little, wiggle the knob a little bit. Okay, turn it back on. Go back down to 0. Maybe it'll stay there a little bit longer this time. Okay, it went to cold and it's creeping back up. See? I'm gonna call it a control head. A while ago, when it stayed on like 3 or 1, I could wiggle it, wiggle the temperature knob and make it down, go up and down. Just wiggle a little bit. It ain't doing it now. Turn it all the way to hot. Don't move. It's got a new blend door actuator in it. I figured it was a control head because when I checked it one time, it didn't move, it stayed low. And then when I touched it, it went up to 68. Now it's going down. That's strange. Wiggle a little bit. It's glitching it right here. Now it's staying. Oh, if I go to hot, if it goes all the way up, or yep, going all the way up this time. Working now. Wiggle it there. Go back down. Cold. Working now. Okay. Didn't go all the way down. Huh. Wiggle it a little bit. There it goes. Going off by itself. I wiggled it. Back to 68. I'm gonna call it a control head. There ain't no reset on these that I know of. Manual, non-dual zone, single zone, manual. It's got a left blend door actuator down there, under there. And yeah. What's the thing got on? About 149,000 miles or something like that. Like good little cars. Ford Fusion. I don't like the way the radio's kind of far off. But they are. I don't know why they quit making them. Stuck on 68 again. Go back down. Oh, it's already down. Let's see if we make it go down. Sometimes it won't unless you key it on and off. Something to do with that control here. Alright. I don't know what keying it on and off has to do with it. Resets the control head. Now it's going down. But it'll go right back up. Especially if it's running. Key on, engine off right now. I'm gonna wiggle it. There it goes. Yeah, something wrong with that fucking knob. The control head. Or the damn circuitry. Damn markings is wore off of it anyway. The damn thing seen better days. Alright. I hope that helps somebody. Don't go replacing actuators until you play with the knob and look at the data and see what it's doing, right? Alright, bye.